honestly nothing worse than sitting on the side of the road feeling helpless, not knowing how to change a tire. Even if you're a male or female, people just find it difficult even to change a tire. For people that don't know, I'm going to help you out. I'm going to show you how to change a tire, and I've got a little bit of assistance to help us out. Let's go.
Open your boot. Under your parcel tray. It is advised, if you are stationed on the side of the road, to use your triangle. If not, pull over to a safe area where you can change your tire. In the boot you have your wheel spanner, your jack. If you have lock nuts in your vehicle, you'll find your lock nut key here, and the hook to remove the nut covers. And here's a tow to tow your car if need be, but that's then. Remove this, undo the second step, loosen the wheels. Then we're going to locate on the sill of the vehicle, there will be an indent. That is where you will position your jack underneath.
Make sure this part is nice, or that you have a nice flat surface.
So you got to make sure it's also essential to ensure that your handbrake is up and vehicle is in gear. So what you do is you locate the piece, hold it there, you jack it down. Now you remove the nuts. When you remove the wheel, it is important, in case the vehicle falls off the jack for some chance, it will not damage the brake discs, drums and all that jazz. That's just something I do. Yeah.
That's a very good tip.
Right.
Thank you, Wesley.
Line up the holes.
So as you can see, there's thread inside here, which I'm trying to get hold of here. That's the thread that you need to line up with the bolts obviously being used.
And we remove the wheel from under the vehicle. Lower the vehicle down.
And as soon as you do change a tire, it is advised to obviously take your original tire, which is flat, to take it to your nearest VW approved supplier to obviously get it changed so that you can put your spare back in the boot. And if you are struggling, don't hesitate to phone Volkswagen Alert.